Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you are getting this problem. Account creation has been blocked. Just you hit the close to come to back that error message. After, why are you getting this problem? This problem usually caused by you are using multiple times and there are having unusual activities. So you get this problem. So how to this problem solve? I have a solutions. First of all, you are wait 1 day or 2 days. After that, you can try. Or sometimes I give some solutions. You will try to this problem solved. So we can go to try that solutions. So let's get start that solution. First step: remove extension. Some malware are stopped ads stopped extensions. So you can go to check there are like that apps or extension running, just removed from that browser, just removed which extensions you does not use or um, unwanted extension removed. So if you have done, then you come to back, then you can go to throw the again try the Microsoft account creation. If this try to still you get this that problem, then you can go to throw the next solution of clear browsing data. So again, you open your browser, then you can go to click on this three dots and you can select delete browsing data. Here you can remove all you will remove all browsing history and cookies and other site data and cached images and files and download histories. Just you will click the delete to delete all browsing data histories. If you have done, then you come to back in your browser, then restart your system, then again come to you will create your Microsoft account. If this try to still sometimes it does not work, then you can go to throw next solution of disable VPN connection. Sometimes if you are using VPN connection in your system or your browsing, so you can go to you will remove first. After that you can go to again check it. If this try to sometimes does not work, then you can go to try you will open the incognito tab. So how to you will open the incognito mode. I go to show you, just you click on three dots and select the new incognito window. Here you can go to create the your Microsoft account. This problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt or you getting again have been getting this that error, you will let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe, and thanks for watching.